Porsche Cars North America Inc. PCNA, celebrates the 25th anniversary of the Boxster family with a special anniversary model, 25 years of Boxster 2021. Based on the 718 Boxster GTS 4.0 model, and powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter six-cylinder Boxster engine of 394 horsepower, special production models are limited up to 1,250 units worldwide. It incorporates many of the design features of the original Boxster concept car, which was first shown at the 1993 Detroit Auto Show. Production versions of the Boxster first launched in Europe in 1996 and in the US in 1997 closely resemble the concept car. Currently, the mid-engine sports car is in its fourth generation, and so far more than 357,000 units have been produced. The 4.0-liter flat-six engine, used in conjunction with the 2021-718 Boxster GTS 4.0 model, offers excellent throttle response, power delivery and a rich exhaust tone. The 394 horsepower high-evolved natural aspirated powerhouse, available with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch (PDK) transmission, creates a very emotional driving experience. This special edition model achieves a top track speed of 182 miles per hour with the manual transmission and, in combination with the PDK gearbox and the standard Sport Chrono package, sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. One of the most striking features of this new special model is the hint of the original concept car, through the use of neodyme, a copper-like color, which provides a unique contrast to the GT silver metallic color of the first 1993 concept. On the 718 anniversary model, it appears on the front and side air intakes as well as for the lettering and specially designed two-tone, 5-spoke, 20-inch alloy wheels, and on a special, Boxster 25 badge on the rear. Porsche offers the 25-year-old Boxster in GT Silver Metallic, although Jet Black Metallic and Carrara White Metallic are also available. Another striking element can be found in the fuel filler cap, which is enhanced by the Porsche script from the exclusive design range. The lid is painted in an aluminum look, as is the high-gloss exhaust pipe of the sport exhaust system, while the windshield frame is finished in black. The Boxster has a very special meaning for Porsche, as it marks a new orientation of the sports car manufacturer's model strategy and paved the way forwards through the difficult economic times of the mid-1990s. This is reflected in the first water-cooled production flat-six engine and also in the smart carry-over parts concept that begins with the launch of the agile mid-engine Roadster. This concept was incorporated into the 996,911 generation, which was launched a year later, and allowed Porsche to return to profitable production. This two-seater at an attractive price captivated the hearts of new, younger customers from the start. Visually, it combines the historical features of a well-known brand. The appearance of the Boxster concept car shown in Detroit relives fond memories of the legendary 550 Spyder and the 718 60 rupees Spyder race car. It was so well received by the public in January 1993 that the Porsche Executive Board intervened in the development of the ongoing production model design and advised, without further ado, just build a concept car. As time has shown, it was a wise decision. When the production model was launched in August 1996, it closely resembled the star of the 1993 Detroit Auto Show. Since he shared the front end with the 996 Generation 911, there was no question of his lineage. The Boxster is a true Porsche. At the same time, the mid-mounted flat-six engine, which initially had 2.5-liter displacement and 201 horsepower output, was engineered to meet tighter emission standards thanks to water cooling, 4-valve technology and variable intake timing. Power upgrades and further model upgrades soon followed. The first-generation 986 Boxster received a larger 2.7-liter engine in the US in 2000, initially with 217 horsepower and then with 225 horsepower. The newly launched Boxster S is powered by a 3.2-liter six-cylinder engine with 250 horsepower, which immediately goes to 258 horsepower. The 987 generation followed suit in 2004 with a new design, standard 17-inch wheels, 18 inches on the S model, and a redesigned interior. For the first time ever, performance-enhancing options from the 997 generation Porsche 911 such as the optional PASM with variable damping characteristics, PCCB ceramic brakes, Porsche ceramic composite brake, and the optional Sport Chrono package are available. With unchanged capacities, the second-generation Boxster engines produce 225 horsepower and 258 horsepower, respectively. At the end of its production period, the engine output had reached 255 horsepower from the 2.9-liter engine and 310 horsepower from the 3.4-liter engine. The optional PDK dual-clutch transmission also replaces the previously offered Tiptronic S automatic transmission. At the 2009 Los Angeles Auto Show, the 320-horsepower Boxster Spyder model was introduced. Featuring a lightweight manual top, shorter side windows and a unique rear decklid with a striking protrusion, it was the lightest Porsche available for sale at the time.